everyone. So we're in different background. We're in the kitchen. So on today's video, I'll be doing a quick haul. The things that I got in the store. Oh no. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh, I'm so energetic today. While waiting for Ate Elnora is a Filipina, one of my Filipina friend here, and she heading to the no. She's going to other Filipina friend to pick up the sisig. To pick up the sisig because that Filipina make food and she sell it. So I want to try the sisig for maybe lunch or late lunch. We haven't take our lunch yet, so I'm waiting for Ate Elnora to show up to go give my order sisig. So while we're waiting for Ate Elnora, I'm gonna do a quick haul. This is two different kinds quick haul, whatever you call that. I forgot. And also while waiting for Ate Elnora, I already cook rice to go with sisig. I'm so excited, and I told her that make the sisig a little bit spicy because I like the sisig a little bit spicy taste, which is like taste good for sisig. So while waiting for sisig, but Ate Elnora is so slow. Hurry up. So we're gonna do a quick haul. So we ordered a face mask online, and we've ordered it like 4 weeks already, and it just show up yesterday. So I like the color, my favorite color. It comes with this little a Ziploc plastic bag, and it comes with 2 filters that you can replace your filter inside your mask. I want to show you what it looks like. So pretty. This is the filter. This is what it looks like, the filter, the extra filter. The other one I already put it on to my mask. And let's put it back in the plastic. I don't want to get dirty. Put it in plastic, and this is what look like the face mask. Ta-da! It's cute. It's pink. I love the color. My favorite color. And they have this. I don't know how do you call this. Comment down below if you know how do you call this. Do you know how do you call this, Dan? The white on the face mask.
It's supposed to like make it feel cool or something.
Okay, so that Dan said it's supposed to be make it cool or something so that you don't feel hot when you're breathing, probably. Like a little bit white here. And also on the inside of the mask, they have this kind of like packet that you can put your filter inside. This is what it looks like. This is the filter. Let me show you the filter if I can. So this is the filter that you have to put it inside the, what do you call it? I'm just gonna call it packet. Inside packet. And there you go. And you have filter inside. And it's a nice fabric though. And the elastic is not bad at all. And then the sewing is not bad. And then yeah, let's try it though. This is what's look like. I like the color. And then you open it, yeah. It's look like that. You have these elastic that you can adjust it on the back, and also this one too. So yeah. Oh, I can't read. I can't read. It's too hot. I already have stain on it, a little bit lipstick on it. But anyways, I think it's look like you can wash it if like get dirty. So yeah. Put already, because I have a little bit lipstick, like lip gloss on my lips, so it's stained, has a little lip gloss on it. But anyways, yeah, that's my face mask that we ordered and got the gray one. So, and then I have from Walmart that we're gonna haul. So normally if I do a sit down video, I do different colors of my backgrounds. So I got my different fabrics background at Walmart. They're only $5 for 2 yards. So I got the green, and then I got the orange one. I'm gonna try sometimes if I want to change my background for different colors, I can do that. So green and orange, and this is 2 yards per bundle, and it's only $5. Not too bad for 2 yards. Actually, that's cheap already for 2 yards. And also got like 3 clothing. Oh, and then this is cute, like a dress. I don't know if it's gonna fit for me, but I don't want to try it on. I have to wash it first before I'm gonna try it on, because I don't wanna, you know what's happening right now. I'm not scared, but I'd rather than to wash it first. But it's really cute, elastic on the, what do you call the arms, and also on the neck too. What I like about this is the bottom is so cute. Like it looks like wood. No, it's not wood, it's plastic, but it's cute. The bottoms is all the way to the top, all the way to the bottom. Really cute dress. We'll see. I'm gonna show you the what do you call it, clips on it that I'm wearing it. And also just the plain t-shirts. For summer, it's getting hot. For work, not really bad. It's cute, and there's have a little design here. I don't know how do you call that, like stretchy. No, not stretchy. I don't know how do you call that, but it's just a plain t-shirt. And I got 2, white and black. Maybe I can try it on right now. I'm not too scared. Do you think, Dan? Can I try it? And I got black t-shirt. Just plain basic t-shirt. So yeah, that's all for my haul. Just waiting for Ate Nora to show up, and I'll be right back later. Alright guys, it's been like 3 hours already waiting for Ate Nora, so I fall asleep waiting for her to drop the sisig. Sisig is a Filipino dish. So yeah, finally I already have it, and I taste it. It tastes good. It tastes really good. It tastes really, the taste, it's remind me the sisig in the Philippines. So it's really good. So maybe I'm just gonna add a clips what's look like the sisig. Just a small big ang bigat ng camera. It's just a small container of sisig. But anyway, so I fall asleep. Every time it's cold, they turn on the AC downstairs, so I fall asleep in the couch. But I'm upstairs in the what do you call it? My mind is still not working. I just wake up. I'm in the bedroom right now because they're playing games, VR games. So they're playing games, so went upstairs to end this video. That's it for today's vlog, everyone. I'm gonna edit it right away. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye.